would like to introduce you to the Name Jewelry Solution 2, a multi-function machine that allows you to cut nameplates, add decorations and bails, engrave inside of rings, cut outside surface of rings, engrave on flat surfaces, cut on wax, and also cut on the outside of rings. It is so simple that after a 30-minute lesson I was able to do this myself. This program is so simple that it includes all the tools necessary for me to create a nameplate: fonts, bails, decorations, and so on. Let me show you. I'm going to type my name, John, and show you how simple it is. Maybe I'll put my last name in. You know, I don't like the way it looks. See? Simple. We're going to zoom in now and work on the nameplate. I'm going to connect the letters. Okay, wonderful. Now I'm going to connect the end tail, making this into a continuous nameplate. Great, very simple. Now we're going to add a bottom tail decoration. The program comes with many tail decorations, but if you're creative, you know, you can create your own and save it into the program to use later on other nameplates. Now here's one we can use. Now I'm going to attach this to the nameplate. And as you can see, it's too large, so we are going to fit it to size. The program allows you to extend it or fit it smaller, larger, and so on, move it around, so it's all one continuous plate. Here we are. Now we are going to, at the end, make the end of the tail fit into the end of the name, so it can be nice and wonderful. We can stretch the lines and shape it to any shape we want. As you can see, wonderful, simple. All this only in a matter of seconds. Now we have a nameplate, but it needs bails, and we can add that very simply. The system comes with bails. You will attach them, and you can choose to change the size if you want. But it's very simple. Now we have bails. We have a nameplate. Prior to designing a nameplate, I input the information on a surface, the thickness of the plate, and how big of a nameplate I wanted to cut. Now let's show you how we do that. Once we transfer the data into the Name Jewelry Solution 2, a red laser will appear to verify the cut-in solution. Once we verify the cut-in surface, I will press OK, and the probe will come down. Okay, let's see how we came out. Oh, that was easy. The whole process took about 3 to 5 minutes from designing to cutting. Now we're going to show you the ring features on the machine. I type my name into the computer, and we're going to cut the name on the outside of the ring. It can also do designs. Let me show you. Now I'm going to check the work area with the laser system. Double check it. It looks good. Now we're going to start the machine. That was very simple. Now we're going to engrave the inside of a ring. We are going to use the inside ring engraving attachment to do this. I am going to type my name into the computer. And I'm going to send information to the machine. Now I'm going to check the engraving surface. Hey, this looks good. Oh, it's done. Let's take a look. Oh, beautiful. Let me show you guys.